known as Bin Qalandar, was born on 7th of March 1980 in Lahore. He is the second last among his siblings and lived all his life with his parents. His father was a Sufi poet and belonged to a Qalandari Silsila, which is a Sufi order. Bin Qalandar never dreamed of art when he was a young boy. He had never thought of growing up into a distinctive artist with his own innovative style.
In 1999, I started my art career during the drawing classes from Lahore Art Council. At that time, I realized that I should go to any art institution. Therefore, I applied for the National College of Arts for the first time in 2002, and I got admission in 2005. That I was rejected for the 4 times, and that was my 4th attempt.
No one can evolve without falling down. This should not be seen as a failure. What we call failure is not falling down, but staying down, as said by Socrates. Calligraphy helps to control body's energy and channel it towards precise movement.
I'm inspired from the landscape, from the dawn, from the music, from Dhamal, that is spiritual dance in Sufism. Whenever I go around these activities, these things, I think that I should convert all these practices, these activities in my calligraphy.
Bin Qalandar just lets things happen instead of planning them beforehand, sometimes waiting, sometimes wandering around until the right moment arrives. It arrives when he feels an unmatchable energy accumulated from the precise time and place. Through a series of wide experiments, new each time, he discovered many techniques that made his work this mature.
I have no plan before start the painting. I just have the lines and the idea and the flow in my subconscious. And when I transfer all these lines from the subconscious to the conscious, then I make a relation between brain, heart and hand. And all these flows, all these lines, when convert on the canvas, then at that time my painting speaks with me. It's a silent dialogue between artist and the painting. And that is the perfect time when you understand the language, when you understand the words, when you understand the communication of a painting with you. Just one idea can change your perception. I deconstruct and transform the traditional practices to the contemporary art form. Therefore, you can see all these influences on my calligraphic art.
अल्लाह के फजल व करम से इन पर जो अनायत है, जिसमें वो इस वक्त पाकिस्तान में एक बहुत मुख्तसर मुद्दत में जाने पहचाने लगे हैं, इसमें इनके वालिद मुहतरम की दुआओं का भी गहरा असर है। और मुझे ये खुशी है कि ये मेरा वो शागिर्द है कि जिस पर बजा तौर पर फ़ख्र किया जा सकता है। ताहिर बिन कलंदर ने अपने फ़न में रंगों को और अपने एक जुदागाना असलूब के साथ वो एक मुनफरिद मकाम हासिल किया है कि मैं समझता हूँ कि माजी के जितने भी मुसव्विराना ख़त्ताती करने वाले अफराद हैं, उनसे ये बहुत आगे निकल गया है। और इसमें उसकी शबाना रोज़ मेहनत, उसके अंदर एक तख्लीकी पहलू जो कुदरत ने उसे अता किया है वो जा बजा नज़र आता है। और इसका फ़न जो है, जो मैंने देखा है, ये दिन ब दिन आगे से आगे की तरफ जा रहा है। इब्तिदान वही ताहिर बिन कलंदर कि जिसकी इब्तदाई मशकों में मैं देखा करता था कि इसमें वो अंदाज़ नहीं था, लेकिन बहुत जल्द कुदरत ने इसको अपने अनवारात से नवाजा। और मुझे ये कहने में कोई आर नहीं है कि पाकिस्तान में मुसव्विराना ख़त्ताती या इस आर्टिस्टाना ख़त्ती मुसव्वरी में ताहिर बिन कलंदर अपनी मिसाल आप।
Bin Kalandar always wanted to break rules. He wants his vision to be broad, without limitation, without any restriction and boundaries. He added a new life to the traditional calligraphy in Pakistan by applying his unique design techniques in each work.
I have 10-year experience as a graphic designer from 1999 to 2009. I have drawn a lot of Islamic calendars and Islamic arts in calligraphy. In this experience, I learned a lot to combine the different color palettes, like in the red color with the blue, and the blue with the green, and green with the orange. And in these color combinations, along with these color combinations, I make a lot of compositions.
Bin Kalandar did a one-year diploma in graphic design from College of Arts and Design at the University of Punjab in 2003 and graduated in miniature painting from National College of Arts in 2009. After that, he decided to learn more about calligraphy and completed another one-year diploma in calligraphy from National College of Arts in 2010.
In my studies, I learned a lot about the delicacy of strokes, the color combination, and especially the patience, because for the small sizes you need a lot of patience to understand the combination of colors and the compositions. And beside that, when I start my calligraphy, I put all these efforts, I put all these observations in my calligraphic art. In my opinion, formal education is very important for an artist and for the painter. But it's my belief that there is no institute who produce the art, but they polish their hidden qualities and their skills, that they can express their feelings and their experiences to the audience and to the art lovers.
बिन कलंदर मेरा बहुत अच्छा स्टूडेंट है इन NCA एंड इन कॉलेज ऑफ आर्ट एंड डिज़ाइन। और ये नौजवान मुसव्वरों में, बल्कि कैलीग्राफर्स में एक नुमाइंदा फ़नकार है। और इसके कॉलेज को, हमारे मुल्क को और हमें इससे बहुत ज़्यादा तवक्कुआत वाबस्ता है। इसके काम में आपको दोनों पहलू मिलेंगे, ट्रेडिशनल भी और मॉडर्न भी। इसकी बैकग्राउंड्स जो है वो भी देखने के काबिल हैं। इसके लेआउट्स जितनी भी वो बनाता है बड़ा मज़ेदार है, बंदा थोड़ी देर के लिए ज़रूर गुम हो जाता है। मैं फ्यूचर के लिए, इसके फ्यूचर के लिए बहुत नेक तमन्नाएं रखता हूँ। अल्लाह ताला इसके ज़ोर कलम को और ज़्यादा अच्छा करे।
I belong with a middle class family, and at that time during my studies I was on job. I was doing my job, even 3 part-time jobs in one day, and I was earning from my graphic design profession and spending all the money to my paintings. And people asking me that at that time that you are a real artist, because you don't care about your clothes, you don't care about your food, but whatever you are going to earn, you are spending all those things on the paintings.
Bin Kalandar did his first solo exhibition at the Himal Art Gallery in 2009 named The Journey, in which he played with the tiny details and delicacy of miniature art on his large-size calligraphic paintings. After that, his second solo exhibition was held in Karachi by the name of Wisdom in the Art Scene Gallery, which made the public of Karachi his die-hard fan. Later, he was already famous among his fellow artists, and again in 2011, he exhibited his unique calligraphic approach in Lahore at the Ijaz Gallery with the name of Alif, which was another tremendous winning. By 2012, Bin Qalandar was known internationally after receiving high appreciation for his exhibition in Dubai with the Himayal Art Gallery. In all his exhibitions, most of his work got sold even before the opening of the show. Not only this, Bin Qalandar's work got exhibited a list of times in group exhibitions all around Pakistan.
बिन कलंदर माशाल्लाह जी हमारे यंग आर्टिस्ट हैं और बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और अल्लाह ताला ने बहुत शॉर्ट टाइम में उनको एक इतना अरूज दिया है। लाहौर में उनका पहला शो जो था 2009 में जब उन्होंने पास आउट किया तो हिमायल आर्ट गैलरी में था। उसके बाद उन्होंने इजाज़ आर्ट गैलरी में हमारे साथ शो किया और हम उनको इंटरनेशनली लोकली प्रमोट करते हैं। अभी मुसव्विर में रिसेंटली उनका शो था और यहाँ पे भी बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस है उनका और काफ़ी डिमांड में है काम उनका। यहाँ पे जो भी कैलीग्राफी लोग कर रहे हैं, नो डाउट मैं सबको डील करता हूँ और हमारे सारे रिस्पेक्टेबल हैं जितने भी लोग काम कर रहे हैं। अगर आप सादकिन को देखते हैं या अहमद खान साहब हैं, ये बाकी लोग हैं, हर एक का अपना अंदाज़ है, अपना एक स्टाइल है। उसी तरह से एक शॉर्ट टाइम के अंदर जिन्होंने अपना स्टाइल इंट्रोड्यूस किया है और ब्राइट कलर के साथ इतना बोल्ड काम जिन्होंने शुरू किया है बिन कलंदर ने, उसकी वजह से लोगों ने बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया क्योंकि पहले इस तरह से इतना ब्राइट कलर में काम हो नहीं रहा था। इतने स्ट्रॉन्ग कलर, इतने वाइब्रेंट कलर जो है ना लोग यूज़ नहीं कर रहे थे, जिसकी वजह से लोगों ने बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया। और मैं तो उनको देखता हूँ तो मुझे बिल्कुल सादकिन की रिजेम्बलेंस लगती है कि उनको जब मैंने काम करते हुए देखा कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज़ के अंदर तो बिल्कुल उसी तरह से उसी स्टाइल से वो भी काम करते हैं। उम्मीद के बहुत अच्छा रहेगा और इंशाल्लाह ताला बहुत आगे जाएंगे। हमारी दुआएं उनके साथ हैं।
I want to fly in skies in my paintings. I have been painted 8 feet by 16 feet, 8 feet by 8 feet, 10 feet by 10 feet, and mostly people are asking me that how you create these big paintings. Though you are a miniature painter, so I would say them that yes, I want to fly in the sky, I want to fly in the air, and that's why I want to create a big painting, a big mural.
He started his calligraphic journey by observing the calligraphy paintings of his teacher and mentor, Mr. Javed Iqbal, at his workplace. Mr. Javed Iqbal motivated him to practice calligraphy for the first time.
Bin Qalandar is a new addition in Pakistani calligraphic paintings. He blended traditional art with modern thoughts. The designing elements are very impressive in his painting. He achieved his name in a very short tenure, while other artists took a longer time. He impressed with his flow of line, different colors, sensibility. He has God-gifted creativity.
Bin Qalandar lives a very casual life. He spends most of his time at his studio. His workplace is full of creative elements, paintings and books, as he always tries to get knowledge and inspiration from wherever he finds it. What makes his work so different from other calligraphers is his abstract compositions, not just based on Arabic letters, but it is the reflection of his father's Sufism, which one can easily depict in his delicate and narrow lines which tear his own wide and huge formations with hues of bold colors to create his magnificent art piece.
People ask me that why my name is Bin Qalandar. It's a very strict story about, actually my father was a Sufi poet, he was a Sufi person, and his name was Ghulam Rasul Qalandar. One day my father told me that can you put my name on your painting, so I decided that I have to write my name as Tahir Bin Qalandar, and finally I decided that my name should be the Bin Qalandar. Bin Qalandar means the son of Qalandar. He has been visited all my exhibition, attended all my exhibitions that held in Pakistan, in Lahore, Karachi, and especially he has been visited my thesis show in National College of Arts as well. So I'm missing him a lot. I want to dedicate my all work to my father.
I do not select a word to ease the formation of my calligraphy, but rather get lost in it. And while I'm lost in it, it isn't me deciding which stroke goes where, but it is the strokes and the colors that make me move along them on the entire canvas, and in the end, naturally, there is an art piece ready, says Bin Qalandar.
During my work, I used to listen to music as well, especially the qawwalis of Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan, the Sufi music and the ghazals. And I think the qawwalis and the Sufi music is a divine power for me for that time. I've been visited abroad in Dubai Art Fair. I have seen a lot of work, and in my US visit, I have been visited the Miami Art District and also visited art museums like Boca Art Museum, Dia Art Foundation Museum, Metropolitan Museum, and the MoMA Art Museum. Especially, I have been visited also United Kingdom as well. And there, I was in National Art Gallery. At that time, I have been inspired by the modern art, and I have been observed deeply the modern art. And when I came back to Pakistan, I make a blend of the traditional Pakistani art and the modern West art in the shape of my modern calligraphy. I would like to thank my great Allah, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and especially my spiritual guide that calls Murshid, Hazrat Sayyid Ali Hussaini Sarkar, Hazrat Tahir Sunain Sarkar, who pray for me a lot, for my career, for my future, for my life, for my everything. And without their prayers, I'm not able to draw a single line or single strokes. And that is the life for me.